Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I got this bomb unit. This hair is brought to you by Alipearl Hair Company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, as well as a full install tutorial and a wig review. So if that's something you are definitely interested in, then keep on watching. Bye!
Reesie, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received some eyelashes, a couple head wraps, an elastic band, an edge control brush, and a wig cap, and also a silk bag. This unit is a medium cap size HD frontal lace unit, 13 by 4 to be exact. It is 180% density Brazilian body wave unit. She is 24 inches. She is pre-plucked. She also has adjustable straps and combs. So I'm taking my BW2 powder and 40 volume developer and I mix that up to create a thick consistency. Take your Got To Be Glue Blast Free spray, spray that along the hairline with your comb and comb through that lace frontal just so you can avoid over bleaching. I love using a plastic knife because it's just easier to apply the bleach and it just looks like butter. Do you see that? Look at how smooth this application is. I let it sit for about 15 minutes, but definitely keep an eye on it because this unit bleaches very, very fast. This is the next day. I didn't get much footage of me plucking because I was on live that day. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to see live installs of me just customizing the whole unit. It just makes it more easier for you guys to learn that way. If you want an in-depth tutorial, definitely check out my Pluck Like a Pro series on my YouTube channel. I have that linked in the comment cards. Alrighty you guys, so here I'm just going to install my wig. I am using pantyhose for my ball cap method because the material is way thinner and it's just better on my skin, and it lays better on my skin, if that makes sense, because the regular wig caps does not seem to stick on my skin like it used to. So definitely changing up the wig install process just so it can easily lay on my skin. That makes sense, I don't know. But yeah, so if you are new to this channel, I bring you guys some bomb new music from Epidemic Sound. So of course I'm gonna stop talking and let you vibe out to the music, and I'm gonna come back to you later at the end of the video with a full wig review.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. Delusional, delusional. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on fire.
It's wig review time. Did you guys enjoy the music? I hope you did, because King Sis did what needed to be done in that studio. She is a vibe. But anyways, so you guys, all about this wig unit. The luster on this unit, girl, she is bomb, flowy, thick. Like, look at how shiny this wig is. I'm using actually a new product I found from my aunt's business. Definitely support black business down below. You guys bought up everything from the other business that I tried to mention from Righteous Growth, so I had to find another alternative. So definitely check that business out below. She sells balm like silk press mist as well. But anyways, this unit is so thick. She is bomb. I love just everything about this wig, because the way this lace just laid on my skin, it's literally melted on my skin. You can't even see the lace. Even 3 days later, like, the lace is still melted. It's bomb. The knots bleached so fast, so definitely make sure. Look at this, you guys. I sprayed my eye. I'm all over the place with this video, but but it holds a curl bomb. Like, this unit I know is gonna last a very long time. Alipearl, I was asleep, okay? I was really asleep on this hair. But anyways, the lace is bomb. As you can see, it's melted into my skin. You guys were raving about this hair on my Instagram, so definitely, like, get your hands on this wig if you're looking for a long-term wig, something that you could just, it's like a salon quality wig. I don't know, like, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, and then the price of it, girl, affordable. You get everything. The wig fits me good. The wig is a little small. That's only a negative that I have about this wig, but overall this unit is so gorgeous. Definitely invest. If I don't usually say this, you guys, but definitely invest in this wig, because honey, this wig brought out confidence I ain't even knew I had. Like, look at how bomb this unit looks on me. Like, the color, it's so silky. Okay, let me stop because I'm going so hard for this wig. But definitely check out Alipearl, because I have no negative things to say other than the wig is a little small, but you cannot notice whatsoever. But that is basically it. Look at me. This is 4 days later and it's still laid for the gods. Thank you so much, Alipearl Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get